Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Nomad from Theory11. So this Nomad deck was designed for the Nomad Hotel in New York, and very interesting. I've had a deck of these for about 3, 4, 5 years, and I've never opened them because I wasn't sure whether I'd get another one. To be honest, I was being tight and I didn't want to buy another one. But in the bundle I've just got, there was an open one, so I'm about to see this deck for the first time. Let's have a look at the tuck. What's interesting is actually the front. What I would call the front of the tuck is actually the back, and the back, what I would call the back of the tuck, is actually on the front. A bit strange, but different. So Theory11, Nomad, established in New York. Luxury playing cards. Luxury playing cards produced by Theory11, designed by Chad Michael. Luxury playing cards crafted in the United States for the Nomad Hotel, New York City. And the back design there. So this is embossed in various different ways. There's some sort of, this is sort of inlaid slightly, and then this gold sort of embossed. This is all like inlaid, the gold here. Inlay again, embossing and inlay. And then this is a combination of depths with regards to the inlay and the embossing. At the bottom we've got Theory11, Las Vegas, Nevada. And on top there you've got nice and made. So made nice, I don't know. Nice cool seal here. Get inside. USA, New York. I don't know what that says, but it's pretty cool. It's got like gold fawns and a crown in the middle. It's really nice. The inside, it's got this beautiful this beautiful design on the inside. And you've got these two bits on the flaps. So let's take these cards out. So that continues all the way into the tuck, which is really, really nice. So you've got the Nomad Hotel, an evening of magic, mystery and deception. For details and tickets, visit nomadmagic.com. The Magician. The Nomad Hotel. Again, same thing, but with Abracadabra and Nomad in the centre there. Looking at the cards, we've got Joker. It's like a combination of sort of like an elf and Pinocchio. It says a simple fool. He's got a little bird perched there. And you've got the same again. Now these have got like a, quite hard to show you this, they've got like a stained look to them. A sort of old parchment colour, which really doesn't show in this light. There you go, you can kind of see it there. No differences, I don't think, to the Jokers. Ace of Spades there. Nomad of New York. Theory11. Luxury playing cards across the bottom there. You've got a little keyhole inside the spade pit. Big A with a crown on top there. Custom typeface for the indices. And they're standard pips. Although the 2's quite standard and the ace is a bit squashed, shorter and fatter. That's why I questioned whether it was standard. They've all got that sort of stained paper look, which is quite cool. But you've got standard faces up to the royalty. And you've got like a gold, deep sort of maroon, reddy brown and black colour combination there, but they are standard. Same sort of stained effect here, but this is more of a brown than a red, which is really quite cool. Again, same colour scheme for the royalty elsewhere, and then straight through. Yeah, really nice. Looking at the back, it's very much the same as the outside of the tuck case, but minus that mad gold and sort of grey black colour scheme. It's just black and white with that stained sort of coloured look to the white. And you can really see there's a lot of sort of ornate detail there, which is really, really nice. So you can see here, it's really very detailed. It's got some sort of Latin, I think, written up the top there. It just looks really nice. The handling, it looks really cool for a fan. Looks nice on a spread. I mean, I like the fact that it's not plain white because, you know, it allows it to stand out a little bit more. Yeah, it's really quite cool. So I'm presuming this was done for a magic event that they were hosting at the Nomad Hotel. And yeah, I mean, they've done an awesome job with the cards. I love them, and I'm glad I've got an open one. I mean, as you can see, they've not been touched. You know, they are in pristine condition. They're still in new deck order, still with all the Jokers and ad cards, and that's just a sign of how good the collection I've recently purchased is. So I'm just over the moon with that. Here we have it, an awesome deck, and I don't know which side of this to show, so I'm going to show this side. I think in the thumbnail, I think I'll have it like this. So we've got a thumbnail, and then yeah, this is our cards. So yeah, really, really impressed. They're not that hard to find. You know, I've acquired two since I've got my sealed one. I've acquired another sealed one, and I've acquired an open one. I've not got around to reviewing it, so now I've done it. Yeah, it's just really nice. I love the ornate detail. I love the fact it's on that sort of stained white look paper. I'm just really impressed. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.